Morning everyone, my name is Kristo Tiffany Sengkei. Today, I would like to share my opinion about smoking in campus area. In my view, smoking should not be allowed in campus environment. The campus is a place for learning, growing, and building a healthy future. Allowing smoking in a place goes against those goals. We all know that cigarette smoke is very harmful, not only for smokers themselves, but also for people around them. The so-called passive smoker, breathing in smoke can cause health problems such as clogging, asthma, or even more serious disease in the long run. As students, we must take care of our health so that we can study and achieve our dreams effectively. Besides the health issue, smoking in campus area can also disturb the comfort of others. Many students feel uncomfortable with the smell of smoke or the litter from cigarette butts. It also gives a negative image of the campus environment. Instead of looking clean and academic, it becomes unhealthy and unpleasant. However, I also understand that some people have already developed the habit of smoking. For that reason, I believe campus should provide special smoking area, separate from classroom and public space. This way, smokers can still smoke without disturbing others. To conclude, I strongly believe that smoking in open campus area should be banned. Creating a smoke-free campus means creating a healthier, cleaner, and more comfortable environment for everyone. Together, we can build a campus that fully supports education and well-being. Thank you for your kind attention. I hope my space can be useful and inspire all of us. Good morning everyone, my name is Kristo Tiffany Sengkei. I'm here to explain about question words. Question words. Question words. A. Meaning of question words. B. Types of question words. C. Formulas of question words. Meaning of question words. Question word, also known is interrogative. According to Word English, a question word is a word used to ask a question. The question format can create a noun clause or adjective clause. This question word can be used in both direct and indirect sentence. There are many types of question word. It's adjusted according to their function. Types of question words: who, what, when, where, why, which, what, was, how. How is an interrogative word used to ask about the identity of a person or group of people involved in an event, activity, or certain context. Who help us identify the person or subject relevant to a particular situation. For example, who is he? Who are your parents? Who is your favorite actor? What? What is an interrogative word used to ask about an object, activity, or concept that occurs or is involved in an event, activity, or certain context. The foundation is to obtain information about a specific object, activity, or concept in a conversation or situation. For example, what is your favorite color? What time is it? What is your favorite book? When? When is an interrogative word used to ask about the time or period of which an event occurs. Its foundation is to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation, and it helps us understand the sequence or health of an event. For example, when is your birthday? When does the movie start? When do the store close? Where? Where is an interrogative word used to ask about the location or place where an event occurs in a conversation or situation. For example, where is the bathroom? Where did you find the book? Where did you find this book? Where does your family live? Why? Why is used to ask about the reason behind an event, action, incident, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happens or why someone does something, we can ask. For example, why are you late? Why are you crying? Why do you want to learn English? Which is an interrogative word that helps us choose between several options. Its foundation is to ask for information about a specific choice from a number of available options. To assist is making decisions, or to identify a specific object or person in a particular situation or context. For example, which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which book are you reading right now? Which movie did you watch last night? Whom is an interrogative word used to ask about the person who is the object in sentence. Whom help us determine the relationship between the subject and the object in sentence. For example, whom did she invite to party? Whom do you trust the most? Whom are you waiting for? Whose is an interrogative word used to ask about ownership or to find out who something belongs to. For example, whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose bag is lying on the table? How is an interrogative word used to ask about the way or process in which an event or action is done. Its foundation is to obtain information about the method is procedure involved in a situation or activity. For example, how do you bake a cake? How did you learn to ride a bike? How do you cook pasta? Formulas of question words. A. Question word plus do, does, did plus subject plus verb 1. For example, what do you eat every morning? Where did she go yesterday? B. Question word plus to be plus subject plus complement. For example, where is your bag? Who was your teacher? C. question word plus subject plus verb. For example, who teaches you English? What happened yesterday? D. Question word plus modal plus subject plus verb 1. For example, when will you come? How can I help you? How can I help you? Example 1. Underscore. Do you go to school every day? A. Where do you go to school every day? 2. Underscore. Did she buy at the store yesterday? B. What did she buy at the store yesterday? 3. Underscore. Is your brother now? C. Where is your brother now? 4. Underscore. What's your favorite teacher at school? D. Who was your favorite teacher at school? Thank you for your kind attention. I hope my space can be useful and inspire all of us.